Hello everyone. I'm doing a quick video on how to unlock a radio for a Chevy Malibu 2008 LTZ. But basically this should work for any vehicle. I tried all kind of things. I even watched the video where they took the chip out inside of here. I didn't want to go through all of that. You could, another option is going to the dealer and they're going to charge you an arm and a leg, and then they got the number 1-800 number you could call, and it's too much of a hassle basically. So I found another quick way on how to do this, and like I said, this should work with any vehicle as long as it got this face plate on it. You could take these off. There's 4 screws on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the side. Let me show you on this one. Basically, it'll have 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then on the other side, same thing. Basically, my radio work, but the bulbs in it gone. So it'll play sound, but you can't see what you're doing. You can't control the bass. You could control the volume, but you can't see what you're doing basically. So what I did, I went to the junkyard. I brought this. It's locked, and as you can see, it's a different color. It's the silver one. But at this point, I didn't really care what color it was, as long as I had some music. But I did some research and I found the faceplate right here the same color as this one. I found this one on eBay for the low. I think I paid like $15 for it. And they want some radios, they want $150 and down. Like the cheapest ones I see is like $60, something like that. But which I brought one for them from the junkyard, but like I said, it don't work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably sell that one, get my money back, you know. So basically a quick video just to show you guys how to quickly unlock, the easiest way to unlock a radio for your car. This is a 2008 Chevy Malibu. I'm gonna turn it on. See?
93.3 FLZ.
See, it got sound. Volume work. But nothing lighting up.
Well, imagine as I'm pacing the pews in a church corridor, and I can't help but to hear, no, I can't help but to hear an exchanging of words. What a beautiful wedding, what a beautiful wedding.
Sounds good, everything. I know I have taken it apart. I know tapped on it, played with wires. I even opened this up to see can I replace the bulbs, but it looked like too big of a hassle too. So I brought this faceplate, like I said, and I'm finna put it on and show you guys that it works. Hold on 1 second. Turn it off. Okay, I'm gonna pop this off. Basically, you want to snap these 2 top pieces right here gently and just pull it off gently to the bottom. Take that one off, the old one. Set it to the side. Okay, it's the new one. Put it on. Gently, you'll hear it pop, as you can see right away. And I didn't even, I did turn it off. But as you can see, the clock lit up. Turn it on. Power button. We're in business, guys. Radio works.
Classy, bougie, red.
work. Don't work. Work.
That B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low this one. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game.
Turn it off. Turn it back on. Work. Let me see if the bass and all of that are set without me having to reset it. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little quick. Okay, bass. Treble all the way up. Let me see. Bass. Okay, I'm gonna set that and see if it'll stay. Turn it off. I'm gonna turn the key off too, just to make sure the bass and everything stays. If it don't, I think I'm about to switch the wires around, but it should stay. Let me see. Turn it on. Radio on. Okay, let's check it. Okay, yep. Everything. Yep, everything's like I said it. Appreciate appreciate everybody watching. I'm just trying to help somebody out because I know how it can be. I watch a lot of YouTube videos trying to figure things out. Hopefully this helped anybody out there. And like I say, even if you're looking to just replace your radio on any car, I would try this first. Try to remove the faceplate off of it because the VIN number is in here. And where they lock the chip inside of here, you could take that chip out, but it was a couple of chips I seen and I didn't want to remove the wrong one. So, and like I said, you could go to the dealer and they could unlock it for you, but they're going to charge the heck out of you. But appreciate y'all watching. It's the old one. It's the new one. Appreciate y'all watching and have a good day. Thank you.